There was
There's
an
the ambulance
emergency
coming.
going on out there.
Wonder what's going on out there.
The ambulance coming.
Mhm.
I am just watching
Something
through the
really
window,
emergency going on out
and
there.
it looks
To the
exciting to
bigger
me from the inside.
hospital. There they are.
We'll see what they're gonna do here in a little bit.
Wonder what's
It was
going on.
interesting,
The
guys.
ambulance
This
right
is
there.
in the hospital premises anyway. Thanks
They're loading
God
him
for the
in the helicopter.
emergency help, emergency medical help team, that they were able to help us whenever we need it in a emergency situation. There you go. They're loading him up into the helicopter. There we go. I think they're done loading him up. And they're good. Put the bed back into the ambulance. And they go. The helicopter is about to take off here in a little bit. They have to buckle the patients inside, so when they are flying, he will not be moving or sliding side to side. So they had to make sure that the patient is safe. There we go. They're about to take off here in a little bit. It is a very exciting view. There you go.
There we go. Lord have mercy. Oh man, that is awesome.
Awesome view from the window inside the hospital.
Just turn around like that. And there we go, up on the roof. And they are up there, up on the roof. You can't see it anymore. Wow.
There we go.
There we go.
God bless you.